Are you interested in becoming a front-end developer but don't know where to start? In this video, I will guide you through the essential steps to kickstart your career in front-end development. So first, let us know about front-end development. Front-end development in simple terms is all about creating and designing the part of website that you see and interact with. It's basically like the face of the website. When you visit a website, everything you see like colors, fonts, buttons, images, text, it is all created by a front-end developer. To get a job in this field, you must master on some core fundamentals related to front-end development. HTML. HTML is like the skeleton of the web page. You must understand the structure of the web page, create static contents like text, images, and multimedia. Next, we have cascading style sheets CSS, where you should have skills and knowledges on how to style web pages like colors, fonts, layouts, etc. You should be familiar with advanced CSS concepts such as flexbox, grid, CSS animation. Similarly, JavaScript, where handling data with variables, loops, functions, and conditions is much needed. Furthermore, you should have the experience of collaborating with other programmers using the platforms such as GitHub and GitLab. If you are aiming for a job at IT company, React is one of the most widely used front-end library. For this, you should be familiar with ES6 Plus features and advanced knowledge on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Hands-on experience on UI UX will also be fruitful, and skill on Bootstrap provides a collection of pre-designed and customized HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Advanced skills on these features are really appreciated. After gaining hands-on experiences in these fundamentals, you might be wondering about the next step. So the next step is creating a website showcasing your work, do some projects using HTML and CSS, and also build some apps like calculator, to-do list using JavaScript. Also, it will be beneficial if you create a website using React, Vue, or Angular. Get some experiences as a freelancer and do some internships or part-time job even if they are unpaid, and then finally head towards job hunt. Search for those jobs which matches your skills. Job possibilities come pouring in after you gain all these experiences. If you want to develop a career as a front-end developer at starting, it will be good if you look for a better company rather than payout. Now let's talk about the salary ranges of a front-end developer. Starting from internship, your payroll might get up to 15k. Now for junior level, your experience must be 1 to 2 years and the salary range might be from 20k to 50k. Moving forward, for mid-level, your experience must be from 2 to 4 years and your salary range might be from 40k to 100k. And finally, for senior level, your experience must be more than 4 years and your salary range is from 100k to 300k. But always remember that salary range completely depends on individual's talent and company. To excel in this career, you must work really hard on building projects and portfolios. If you want to fast track your learning, consider exploring training options with Grid Jobs, where you can find courses and mentorship to guide you through your journey in front-end development. Good luck, and I hope you take the first step towards your new career today. Thank you.